Stars and the solar system. Activity. Lunar phases box model. Objective. Build a simple shoebox model with spy holes to see the 4 main phases of the moon. Theory. Unlike stars, the moon doesn't shine by itself. It merely reflects the light it receives from the sun. And like on Earth, only one half of the sphere can bathe in daylight, on the other half it's night time. As the moon revolves around the Earth, each day we see different parts of the day side of the moon. During full moon, moon faces us with its complete day side. During new moon, it's the other way around, we see the moon's full night side. In between these situations, we see different lunar phases, where parts of the day side and night side are visible at the same time, in changing proportions. The lunar phases go from new moon to full moon and back to new moon in a cycle of about 29.5 days. Did you know? 1. Earth's moon came into existence billions of years ago, when the Earth collided with a large asteroid of the size of Mars. Astronomers think that the large object could have also been a small planet in formation. 2. From Earth, both the Sun and the Moon look about same size. This is because the Moon is 400 times smaller than the Sun, but also 400 times closer to Earth. 3. A crater containing a pond of ice was recently discovered on the dark side of the Moon. The ice is believed to be a remnant of a comet which crashed into the Moon 3.6 billion years ago. Learning outcomes. Students will be able to 1. Learn about 4 main phases of Moon. 2. Understand the cause of phases of Moon. Materials required. 1. 1 shoebox. 2. Cotton ball, 30 mm in diameter. 3. Black paint. 4. Wooden spit, box. 5. Glue. 6. Brush. 7. Small flashlight. Procedure. 1. Paint the inside of a shoebox black. 2. Cut a spy hole in the center of each of the 4 sides of shoebox. 3. In one of the 2 narrow sides, drill another hole, which is just big enough for a flashlight to be inserted from the inside out. 4. Fix a cotton ball, on which little craters have been painted, on a wooden spit in the center of the cover of shoebox and then close the cover. 5. Now, switch on the flashlight and observe the cotton ball, representing Moon, through the 4 spy holes. Observation. 4 different lunar phases, full moon, first quarter, third quarter and new moon, are visible through the 4 spy holes. Conclusion. The moon continuously changes shape while revolving around Earth. The different shapes of the lit portion of the moon that can be seen from Earth are known as phases of the moon. Sorting queries.
My grandmother told me that there is an old lady who lives on the moon. You can see her spinning thread on her spinning wheel. Is it true?
No, it's not true. When we look at the moon, it has light and dark areas which give it the appearance of a lady with spinning wheel. Actually, the dark areas are plains called Maria and the light areas are mountains called highlands.
How highlands were formed on the surface of moon? Is there any practical evidence for its formation?
The Indian mission through the Moon Mineralogy Mapper has offered proof that the moon's highlands were formed by the eruption of a hot liquid inside the moon's surface, popularly known as magma. While it has been held that only the lowlands were formed by the magma, this new evidence suggests even the highlands were formed by a similar process. The hot liquid, magma, seems to have flowed onto the surface and taken the form of lava. The rocky remains that floated to the top appear to have transformed into the moon's highlands or mountains, an ISRO scientist explained. We hope you liked this activity. Happy learning!